You know, it's crazy. I did a video a while back on YouTube about you or Facebook, that you are the average of the 5 people you hang out with most. And I was amazed. It got like 100,000 views. And you would not believe the negative comments. Like, so I just got to abandon all my friends and like, you know, just because they're poor. That was not the point. You're just a reflection in terms of your values and your aspirations, your dreams of the people you hang out with, you know? And so you got to kind of be careful about that. You know, be very discriminating about, you know, I mean, it's a biblical principle, bad association spoil useful habits. I mean, this is not like something that we just say. This has been around for thousands of years, these principles. So.
Yeah, and interesting that someone would basically take the time to, instead of reflecting upon a success principle from somebody who clearly has achieved a level of success, instead of reflecting upon it and maybe taking something from it, they choose to tear it down, right? Instead of adding to. So I mean, that's you're going to have that in your life, and I mean that's what you kind of pointed out. But I mean that's as simple as saying you can't soar with the eagles when you flock with the chickens.
Right.
It just
Right.
pretty obvious.
Yeah.
Interesting comment. Abandon the people that are poor. I'm reflecting on that. I think what you do is you sit down and you talk to those people that are not exhibiting the traits that you may say I want to exhibit, and you have a personal conversation with them. And I think you, person to person, explain to them why you may not need to spend as much time with them.
Right.
I mean, if you're hanging out with people that are substance abuse, using drugs, odds are pretty good you're probably going to experiment and get into that platform.
You hang around the barbershop long enough, you get a haircut, as they say.
So I think the argument would be that it's not that you're not my friend anymore, it's that I can't be a part of that lifestyle.
Right.
And I want you to know that I can't be a part of that lifestyle. I still love you, but I got to go this direction, and I want you to come with me. But if you don't want to come with me, I can't be a part of that. So I would look at it the opposite direction. I would say my responsibility is to give you the ability to raise yourself up to become something that might be more constructive. So, you know, if that means hanging out with somebody else, then that's an outcome. And yeah, I think that's a decision that you actually would have to say, point blank straight up, yes, I'm not going to hang out with you if you're going to do things that are not constructive based on what I want my life to become. And
So the
that's
question
tough.
becomes,
That's tough. That's tough.
So the question becomes, though, when you think about it, right? Who abandoned who in that conversation?
Yeah,
right?
100%.
Was it the person who chose to kind of go in a different direction, or the 4 people who said, you know what, if you're going in that direction, you go alone, right?
Yeah.
I think the 4 people abandoned the one.
Yeah.